Something a bit different this week, a desk. And not just any desk, a desk that can push my wife through the ceiling.
Oh, this feels a bit weird.
I don't know why you don't let your wife present this channel. You get far more subscribers. Was that a fish?
That's what you sound like. That's what you sound like. Stop it. Stop it. Thanks to Flexispot for sponsoring today's video and for sending me their Pro Series E7 standing desk. This thing has 2 motors to enable load bearing across the whole of the desktop and can lift a maximum weight of 125 kilograms, which, to put this in context, is the same weight as a giant panda. Sitting is apparently the new smoking, so I was very pleased to find this incredibly informative video from Med School Insiders, which had this golden nugget of information.
If you're in better shape, you're less likely to die.
Not exercising and eating junk food will eventually kill you. Thank you, Captain Obvious. How would we ever know unless you were here to tell us? You're welcome, citizen. Away! A motorized desk such as this allows you to sit for periods of time, stand for periods of time, ride a standing bike for periods of time, or just sit atop your standing bike several feet in the air like some kind of mountain goat. So majestic. This desk is rock solid. I had seen some reviews from a couple of years ago complaining of unacceptable amounts of wobble when extended to maximum height, but Flexispot have obviously addressed that for this desk, because although there is some inevitable play in the legs when extended to maximum height, it doesn't actually affect me with normal use, even when leaning on the desk with my forearms. And when I lower it to a height that I would actually use it at, there's no movement whatsoever. These desks are used by IBM and Starbucks and CNN and Marriott Hotels and Google and a whole bunch of others. And after a little bit of research, I discovered that this is thanks to its powder-coated steel tubing, embedded junctions, carbon steel frame, and desk thickness. My research eventually led me to this demonstration video, where this gentleman explains how an inferior desk might cause what he considers to be a particularly embarrassing situation.
The stability of an adjustable desk is very important. First and foremost, to avoid accidents and embarrassing situations.
You alright, mate? It's only a cup of tea. I'll make you another one. He's inconsolable. All joking aside, this desk is more stable than my very expensive Secret Lab desk that doesn't even have a motor built into it. John, David, Rob, and Adam. Sorry guys to interrupt your viewing pleasure, but you still haven't subscribed. I've just checked. It's not okay. It's not okay, is it? You've been watching for ages and you still, I don't know. I'm making that up. I don't know. I do it every week. I have no idea. I don't know you people. How would I know if you've subscribed? Please press the button. That'd be great. If you watch Flexispot's absolutely bonkers video, you can see just how seriously they take desk stability. If you raised and lowered this thing 5 times a day, the desk would last at least 11 years according to their testing. Just ask Pound Shop Willem Dafoe.
No one's going to want to return a new desk after a month or 2.
I heard they let him go shortly after that commercial was made.
Well, you can't do this to me.
The Pro Series E7 comes in some of the most hardcore packaging I've seen, which is a good job because delivery drivers these days be like... They do be like that though. That's how the kids talk. They do be like that. Shut up, kids. It comes with a control pad that has touch-sensitive buttons to take your desk height from 62.5 centimeters at its lowest point up to 128 centimeters at its highest point. It can store 4 different profiles, so you can have the desk return to specific heights at the press of a button. It has anti-collision so that it won't accidentally crush you. And I asked Neesha last night, who has been using it for the last 3 months, does it have a USB port on it? Because I couldn't remember. And her answer was no. I get my ass kicked for this video. And finally, it has a child lock on it, just in case your child is an asshole. You won't believe how difficult your wife can make it to screw legs to a frame and a frame to a worktop. Very difficult. Nisha's not sure how to help, so she's offered to pass me the screws and tell me what to do.
In case you missed it, here are the screws.
Stop helping. Just like Meccano as a kid, only sweatier. Sweaty Meccano.
What's Meccano?
Oh, for goodness sakes, how old are you?
I'm a lot younger than you.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You wouldn't even know what to do right now if it weren't for me.
God forbid the screw passer would pass screws.
Yeah, I'm not a screw holder.
Oh, I see.
Okay? Hoverboards, next.
Not
They
hoverboards.
look like hoverboards.
They're going on here, I guess, I assume. See, I don't need instructions. Why are you filming?
We've got 4 of these.
I hope I've got 8 in total.
Yeah. But I'm only releasing 4. That's really funny. I think it's funny. So this is called the baffle, and I'm baffled about where we go.
Bad workman blames his tools, good workman blames his wife. Why, you seem to have taken over.
See? Why are you laughing?
Well, who's going to pass the screws now?
You seen the beads of sweat on his head? That can be there if we want it to.
Yeah, you could put this here, yes. But if you put it there, it'd be where the sofa is.
I could spin this table around and it'd be here.
It wouldn't, it'd be facing the wall. I just can't get to understand.
No. Why would it be facing? No, I get
If
it.
we flip this that way up, this would be there, wouldn't it? If you spun it around, it would be facing.
Yes,
this would
I
be
know
facing the wall.
that, but it would still be on this side though.
What do you mean?
It wouldn't, honestly, swear on my life. If you spin it round like this,
Yeah.
that is going to be there.
Yeah, but then when you turn it the right way up, it'll be facing the wall.
Well, yeah, okay.
I'm so glad we captured that. Should you just get your impression of me there?
No, I didn't do an impression.
How did it go?
Nothing.
How did it go?
No.
No. I'll show him how it went. It went.
Alright, don't milk it. And that's it.
That's it.
So,
The desk is built.
the desk is built.
Holy moly. How cool is that? Wow! This is as easy as it gets to install a standing desk, but bear in mind you might need 2 people because it's pretty bloody heavy. An absolute beast. After 3 months, it's pretty clear that this is the most solidly built desk in this house, even before you add on its capability to raise and lower. There are different options for color in both the stand and the desktop itself, and this isn't the only desk that Flexispot sell. There are other options with built-in drawers, and even this beast, which I am now considering for myself. They sell a whole bunch of extras, from office chairs to stationary exercise bikes to 2-in-1 fitness chairs for mountain goats. At under 50 decibels, this is one of the quietest desks on the market, and it sounds a little bit like this. You can see the ambient noise in this room is about 32 decibels anyway, and me speaking at a very quiet volume is registering at sort of 66, 71. So I think you'll find that that is below 50 decibels quite easily for the actual noise of the desk itself. My dad once said to me, buy cheap, buy twice. I mean, he didn't say that. My dad said things like, shut the front door, you're letting all the heat out. But somebody's dad at some point has said, buy cheap, buy twice, and they're right. If you spend a low amount of money on a thing, you're probably going to have to replace it sooner. This desk has a 7-year warranty on it because it's built like a brick house. You aren't going to break this thing. It is going to last a very, very long time because it's got the 2 motors. That's one of the main reasons it is as powerful and as strong and as sturdy as it is, aside from all of the different details that make up that metal frame. The Flexispot E7 is consequently not the cheapest option on the market at £450, but it is worth absolutely every penny, because having done quite a bit of research for this video, it is clear that the build quality has been taken very, very seriously. As usual, there are links in the description if you want to pick one of these up. In the meantime, I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up. That'll tell YouTube's algorithms it was a good video and more people should see it. If you want to see some more of this guy, hit that subscribe button and ding that bell. If you ding the bell, it lets YouTube know that you want to be notified when I upload videos. These incredible people here are my patrons from Patreon, and I know I say it every week. I'm going to keep saying it every week. Without them, I wouldn't be here. I would be working in a call center. I would not be doing this for a living. If you want to be one of those incredible people, you can do that at either Patreon or buy me a one-off beer at PayPal, and either way, I will genuinely love you forever. These are my Facebooks and my Twitters and my Instagrams and my TikToks too. Come and hang out there and we can be best friends. See you next time. Yeah. Something a bit different this week. A desk. Not just any desk. A desk that... I'm not going to use that. That sounded terrible. It's not a good look, is it?